Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a short, clear clip. Aim for 5 to 10 seconds so the notification is crisp. Once chosen, trim any dead space and save as MP3, M4A, or WAV. Most phones accept those. Make sure the file is under 30 MB and placed in a folder your device can reach, such as Downloads or a synced cloud folder. Now that the sound is ready, move straight into the device settings to assign it. Do not delay. You open Settings, then Sound and Notifications. On some phones, it's Sound and Vibration. Next, tap Notification Sound and choose Add or Browse to locate your trimmed file. Once selected, press Apply or Set. The system registers the clip as your default notification. Make sure to preview it and adjust the notification volume and vibration so alerts are audible in different situations. If an app overrides system sounds, assign within. You can personalize contacts by opening a contact, editing and selecting ringtone or notification, then choosing your file. This makes alerts instantly recognizable. After assigning, test by sending a message to trigger the sound. If nothing plays, make sure Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode is off, and that the app has notification permission. If problems persist, convert the file to another supported format, move it to internal storage, and reassign. That single fix resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.